Hello, I'm Ed Hauber with Digital Nirvana. Thank you for watching. Digital Nirvana develops products and services for the media and entertainment industry, which accelerate the production of high-quality content and assure content compliance and quality of experience throughout the delivery process. With over 500 employees worldwide, Digital Nirvana applies AI to media workflows and is proud to serve leading media companies, including Discovery, Disney, Viacom, Turner, CNN, Bloomberg, and many others. In today's video, we'll demonstrate how our products provide fast and compliant content production and delivery workflows with the AI advantage. We'll also be demonstrating how our products are applied to each stage of the media creation process, from production to post-production to content delivery. Trance is our SaaS-based application that uses AI to enhance content metadata by generating transcripts, translations, captions, and subtitles. In this video, we'll also demonstrate MonitorIQ, our leading compliance monitoring solution to assure content quality, technical compliance, and user experience throughout every phase of the delivery process. Now, without further delay, let's get into the demo. Trance is our cloud-based enterprise-level SaaS platform used to generate automated transcripts, create closed captions and subtitles, translate captions, and export caption files in all industry-supported formats. The login process is really simple. Just point any browser to the Trance launch page to enter your username and password. As an enterprise tool, Trance is fully configurable for an unlimited number of users, groups, and roles. The Manage Preset section of Trance is important because it gives users the ability to define caption attributes, such as the number of lines, the line length, total number of characters, text frame gap, etc. A major content producer here in the US relies on the custom presets of Trance to auto-conform captions for distribution to Quibi and other outlets. Trance allows operators to predefine captioning parameters to comply with stringent style guidelines from providers like Netflix, Amazon, and Hulu. To get media into Trance, we have a web-based tool we call Media Services Portal. Once inside Media Services Portal, or MSP, we simply select Add Job, select the desired process, then point to and upload our media. It's that simple. MSP integrates directly with Amazon S3 as well as large enterprise media systems via our open API. So now that we've uploaded some media, let's go back into Trance to access the job we just imported. Once inside Trance, the transcript edit interface opens and we see the Trance speech-to-text engine has created a highly accurate transcript of the media we just imported. This eliminates the necessity of manually transcribing content and delivers huge productivity gains over conventional methods. Here's an interesting use case for speech-to-text. A leading provider of entertainment content had a requirement to increase visibility of incoming long-form contribution content and turn this content around in about 60 minutes. To do this, they chose Digital Nirvana's Trance platform. The speech-to-text engine of Trance auto-transcribes their content with 90% or greater accuracy. Then, using the tools in the transcription edit window, this customer can easily edit the text using a powerful suite of tools, including integrated media player with synchronization to text, auto-highlight of misspelled words, a spell check tool and find and replace word search tool, user-adjustable typeface, line height, and font size, and an entire glossary of powerful keyboard shortcuts. Once complete, this customer exports the finalized speech-to-text output via API integration to a third-party MAM environment as a sidecar file. They can also perform a simple copy and paste of the edited transcript. In both cases, the speech-to-text transcript functions as a rich metadata source, informing producers and editors where to locate the highest value content in the shortest time possible. To create captions using Trance, we'll go back to the Files menu, and this time we'll select Caption Edit. In the center portion of this interface is the edited transcript of the text we just completed, which has been parsed and indexed to the media according to the preset values we set up initially. Trance does all the formatting work for us in the background and saves us a tremendous amount of time in the process. Like before, the Caption Edit section of Trance includes the same media player and powerful text editing capabilities. If we need to refine or change what Trance has created, we can easily navigate to a given section to add, delete, or edit any of the text. We can also split captions and move entire portions via keyboard shortcuts or cut and paste operations. If we make any changes which violate our preset formatting rules, Trance automatically warns us with a red highlight for the section in question. Once we correct the issue, the warning disappears. Trance also includes a utility allowing for customizable placement of captions anywhere within the media. These changes can also be applied globally or to a selected group of captions. A question we commonly hear is, can I create captions in more than one language? With Trance, the answer is yes. To make this happen, just select Add Language and choose the desired secondary language. In this case, we'll choose Spanish. Within a matter of seconds, Trance will complete a translation of the English captions to Spanish and populate those captions in a secondary edit window. We can now edit the Spanish captions as we did before. Trance version 3 now supports the import of existing caption files, and this is great news for a major Spanish language network with hundreds of hours of legacy content. This customer needs to translate captions into alternate languages for redistribution of assets to other regions and platforms. Trance will import existing caption files with the original timecodes and display these in sync with the source content so users can easily edit the newly translated captions. Trance has the ability to translate captions in excess of 100 different languages. The new caption import feature is equally important for another broadcast network customer. In this use case, our customer has a requirement to conform existing captions to alternate platforms and style guidelines. In this scenario, an existing broadcast caption file is imported into Trance and checked for conformance against Netflix standards. Using the new caption quality control feature, Trance will automatically flag any non-conforming captions, allowing this customer to quickly correct any errors, saving huge amounts of time by not having to recreate new captions from scratch. The Trance AI workflow we just looked at leads seamlessly into MonitorIQ, another AI-based product from Digital Nirvana. MonitorIQ with integrated AI is the media industry's best-of-class compliance logging solution. It natively records live video, audio, and all associated metadata from any point in the video production chain, from camera to customer and every point in between. MonitorIQ captures all broadcast and OTT content along with all captions and subtitles. CC 608 and 708 formats, as well as multiple languages, can all be compared side by side in real time within the MIQ interface. Network operators such as Fox News leverage closed captions to create transcripts of aired programs and make them available for download on its website. The Fox legal and engineering teams search subtitles to quickly locate high-value content, generate clips, and export assets for FCC and ADA proof of performance. MonitorIQ natively captures and logs all other associated metadata, such as loudness data, SCSI messages, Dolby AC3, as-run traffic and schedule logs, audio watermarks, and ratings data. MIQ also includes an annotate feature allowing users to generate notes, tags, or phrases, which are time-indexed to the recorded video. All metadata, whether extracted, calculated, or imported, are all frame-accurately indexed back to video. This integration between media and metadata gives operators perfect visibility into the entire broadcast and OTT delivery experience. In addition, this functionality is delivered in one web page, accessible by a single mouse click. With MIQ, users no longer waste valuable time navigating through multiple pages trying to locate vital information. One-click access to information is only one part of the MonitorIQ success story. As a leading knowledge management organization, Digital Nirvana has integrated MonitorIQ with the company's Media Services IQ. MSIQ leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to auto-generate new forms of metadata from video previously inaccessible or unavailable in other compliance and monitoring products. With the power of AI, MonitorIQ can now perform facial recognition, object identification, optical character recognition, logo detection, and speech-to-text transcript generation. MonitorIQ makes it simple and easy to create a frame-accurate clip from live or historic video and upload it to MSIQ for metadata generation. Using the storyboard tool, users can quickly identify content from video thumbnails. Users mark in and out points directly on the thumbnail and export the final clip to MSIQ for metadata generation. After processing, the resulting metadata is returned to MonitorIQ and includes time codes for tagging, enabling search, and faster content retrieval. The identification of logos within content is an expanding requirement with a growing number of our network customers, particularly those airing sporting events. Our logo report feature leverages object recognition to automatically identify logos within a recording and produce automated reports. For a major global network, logo detection plays a key role in increasing revenues. Our customer needed a report of all advertisers' logos appearing during specific sporting events. Media Services IQ discovers brand sponsorships within the stadium, on player jerseys, and within on-screen graphics. The logo detection service tracks how many times each logo appears during these events and auto-compiles this data into a report within the MonitorIQ interface. Using these tools, our customer easily tracks how many times viewers see a sponsor's logo, such as the United Arab Emirates, Nissan, or MasterCard. Automated reports and analytics simplify everyday tasks and accelerate awareness for teams across the media enterprise. MonitorIQ generates automated reports to correlate QoS and QoE events with media and related metadata in a single, easy-to-read page. These reports provide quick references for executive, legal, engineering, and other departments regarding loudness, QoE discrepancies, and SCUDdy events. Additional reports can identify logos and auto-discovered advertisements. For recorded content without as-run log or schedule data, such as competitive channels, the MIQ Ad Report feature automatically identifies and extracts advertisements from these recordings. Clips are exported from MonitorIQ and sent to the cloud for AI processing by MSIQ. Object recognition and speech-to-text are applied to identify the nature and makeup of each ad. This tool also classifies each ad by brand, such as Coca-Cola, Toyota, Kleenex, and so on. The date, time, and frequency of each ad are also captured and displayed as a daily report. The MIQ Ad Report tool provides visibility into the competitive ad landscape and empowers sales teams to generate additional ad revenue by identifying potential new advertisers. MIQ also includes transmission outage monitoring. A long-standing network customer with a stringent transmission monitoring requirement was a driving force behind this development. Our client demands a near frame-accurate record of all transmission outages within the course of each year. MIQ systems logging transport stream content detect and display loss of input within 1 second of an outage. This provides our customer with the fastest and most accurate record of every TS outage. MonitorIQ also creates highly accurate clips of impaired content by way of auto-generated black frames inserted during the outage period. Transmission outage monitoring is only one part of MonitorIQ's quality assurance toolset. MIQ includes a full suite of quality of experience and transport stream analysis measurements to ensure your content meets all internal quality standards. In the event a discrepancy occurs, MonitorIQ has several methods to notify designated personnel via email, Slack, WhatsApp, and other third-party management tools. During today's video, we discussed how customers use Trance and MonitorIQ to create and deliver the highest quality, compliant content in the shortest time possible. Trance is used to add metadata to incoming files, making them immediately searchable for faster content production. At the post-production stage, Trance facilitates caption and subtitle generation and assures conformance to third-party style guidelines. Translation capabilities allow captions and subtitles to be quickly localized and repurposed for other regions and delivery platforms. At the point of distribution, MonitorIQ validates that all metadata is present and accurate, including closed captions, SCUDdy messages, and Nielsen watermarks. Recorded and archived content provides a rich source of information for collaboration and assessment across the organization. MIQ plus cloud-based AI capabilities of transcription and video recognition empower operators to quickly find content and mine for media insights. Thank you for watching. Please reach out to us with any questions or to schedule a one-on-one demo of our products.